This was probably the cleanest thing I've ever done to this car. Okay. So today's vlog, I got Edwin joining me today.
Hello.
And we're gonna turn my car into Santa Claus. How are we gonna do that? We gotta make it grow a beard. I don't know how we're gonna do that. And I'm gonna use the hat that I made a year ago because I don't want to remake it because it took that took me hella long, didn't it?
You got it done like right before.
Yeah, it took me hella long. I remember it took me like I was working at night on it. So we're gonna make a beard. I have leftover white wrap from the Civic. We're gonna wrap this car up, the bumper part of it white, and then I also have some nice fuzzy stuff. This fuzzy stuff. It's like that fluffy crap that you find on I think Santa hats and stuff.
Yeah.
And basically, we're gonna wrap the bumper in white, and then I'm gonna use epoxy that I bought and glue over the wrap so I don't paint. But yeah, this is a test. Cause I've never done this before. Hey, how should do this? We should first off we should get the leg lengthwise.
You might have to just use the whole thing, dude.
I know. It's really not good though, actually. We have enough. I'm very happy with it. Alright, so mustache is done. Mustache is done. I'm covered in white crap because I'm stupid. Ah! You. So what do we have left? We're gonna sweep it all away. Like all my problems, that does not work. I thought this would go away like my problems, but no.
I mean,
actually, it's not true.
It's exactly the same as your problem.
You're right. I can't.
What did we just
do? No, we didn't do anything. It was not on camera. We didn't do anything wrong.
If it's not on camera, it didn't happen.
Exactly. Totally can't hear us on opposite ends of the camera. Thank you for doing half while I was upstairs doing some stuff.
Ungluing your pants.
Yeah, honestly, I switched pants, but yeah.
Did it work?
Yeah, actually it was coming off. Most of it came off. I just didn't like the big spots of like cum stain looking things.
Hey, I need some too. Over there.
So you made a whole like bead around and then you just like went in the middle?
Yeah.
Ooh. It's so bright. Now it's hella bright. Fuck this guy. Ooh, hey, you out of it.
There's barely anything there.
Shut the fuck up. Hey, Cass. Beard and mustache look great, I think. Thank you, Edwin, and I think Edwin and I did a very good job with this, but end of the day, I still have to clean all this up, so let's try to get this done. So, beard's done, mustache is done, just needs to go on the car. I'm still letting it set for a little longer just so I want to make sure it's all nice and cured. I'm going to go head to the gym, so once I get back, hopefully I can just spray it on the car, dry it off, and get rid of all the little fuzz because I don't think I should stick a big sticker onto a car with a bunch of fuzz on it. So that, head to the gym. So it's actually the next day and, well, I'm gonna continue this video, so I'm posting this probably tonight. It's kind of like a 1.5 day vlog, but it's okay. So the issue yesterday was that I didn't really have much time to do all this stuff. I was hoping I would, but I ended up not having the time. But mustache is done, beard is done. It's going on the car. I have the hat already made because that was for last year's video, as I said earlier in the video. And well, I just didn't have time yesterday, so today, getting this all done. Putting beard on car, and hopefully this all works out. Kevin Kai didn't even know. Wrap held on really well. I don't think this is gonna get yeeted off or anything, so I don't have to worry about the wrap. More of just this part. Really need to fix this. I'm gonna take off the hat and basically adjust everything. This was probably the cleanest thing I've ever done to this car. This beard is OP. Look at it. It's just like, it's perfect. Like it's so good. I just need to maybe do a little more like gluing and little things, but not a big deal. Gonna remove that Santa hat and then take off the wooden plank and adjust all the little details. I noticed at the bottom just sucks in, so I had to make a little plank for the bottom. The sides, if you look right here, it's like hella flat in the middle, so gotta figure out some sort of thing for that. Maybe make a little dome using maybe a leftover plank over there. We'll see. So hope you enjoy me adjusting all this crap because it's gonna take a little time. Any other reference, basically this is what happens. So I just use this so this still air goes through because I don't want it to just like take flight, and actually no, it might take flight. If I better off sewing it up, but regardless, here this is what happens when you don't measure anything. You just kind of eyeball cut it. And it's also what happens when you use only a jigsaw to cut everything and not an actual like mill or anything. Well, not mill. I forgot what it's called. But anyways. Honestly, when you have the picture of just the car, like when it's just the front, it looks great because of the bottom, top, and now this part. It's just when you look at it from like top down, it's just sags in. So hopefully this might be the only thing I need. I really don't know what I can do for the back because I'm just out of material and tired. And I'm actually just out of screws. I only got one screw left, so. As a whole, I really don't know what to do, but for not measuring, eyeballing the crap out of it, and just making some really ghetto supports right there. You see that? This is some bad woodworking, but you know, I got a little angle piece, another angle piece, and then I ran out of screws, so I used support and just used wood glue. Wood glue should be enough to kind of that, so should be okay. Hoping this all stays on forever. but that's just the hope. I'm driving on the freeway. Not tomorrow. I'm letting this drive for a whole day. But I'm gonna drive that to work tomorrow. So hopefully nothing gets messed up when I take the bearded GTI to work. So you can see that. So I can lift it under here, and you're just gonna. We're just gonna slide. You're just gonna slide it behind this. Less because I do this all this too often.
I heard some cracks, bro.
Shut up. I'm gonna do it to get away.
A towel?
Yeah, just a towel. Better a towel than the actual paint. We're engineers. Who reads?
We're illiterate.
We're illiterate. See before, like when it sat before, this would just sink because there was nothing here before. So my main issue was I needed to make something that would keep this elevated while like sitting still.
So that's why you made this one?
That's why I made. No, that's why I made it. Yeah, that's why I gave it a little more volume here, and that gave us platform up here. Because when the hat fell down and it's just sitting, it looked really stupid because it would invert itself and it'd be like not doing anything, not doing anything.
You want to say hi?
Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video. This will be the last car video of the year, but I'm really glad I made it. It actually took me 4 days to do all this and record because, well, I was supposed to have the 15th day of Vlogmas, but then I realized that I don't want to keep pumping out content that's kind of meh. I'm not doing a lot of exciting things. I'm working most of the time, so really isn't that fun to make a bunch of videos. So I hope you guys enjoyed this one at least. This was a little different because I do like to make random crap like this. It's really fun to me. I really wanted to turn my car into Santa Claus for once. I made a Santa hat last year. It's made of vinyl and that same fuzzy stuff you find on most Santa hats. But this beard was made of the same fuzzy stuff that I bought off Amazon. I bought like a 5-foot by 3-foot sheet and then just cut the shape out of everything, and I used white vinyl wrap as the base. So I don't ruin my car with actual glue. I used E6000 epoxy to glue the white fuzzy stuff to the vinyl, and then I taped the vinyl to my car. I cut the shape out all on my own. I kind of just, you know, eyeballed it and then kind of drew it out, sketched it out, cut it out. It's not a big deal. It's not too hard. It's just some work. Maybe like 4 hours. The time lapse was really fast, so maybe like 4 hours of work. This is a lot of work. The wooden platform below the hat was a little more complicated. I kind of just made it off the top of my head last year, and I just improved it this year. It is really, really ghetto, but I did test it. Even with the glue semi-dried and everything, it still managed to drive 40 miles an hour no problem. So it's fully set. I ended up gluing more and securing more things down just to be safe, and I think the result is totally fine. It should be safe. I've thoroughly tested it. I haven't been driving it as much because it's been raining. Same with the Civic. My windshield's still broken. I really don't want to drive the Civic in the rain just because it'll leak through the windshield that's cracked. It's just not a lot of good things. So I'll have to wait till that. I have to wait till then to fix it. But this will be the last car video of the year, like I said before. And the rest of the videos will be skiing related and travel related. So do subscribe if you enjoy that kind of stuff. But do subscribe as well because there will be more car content next year. So I hope you liked the video. This will be the end of Vlogmas. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Bye!